check on our stone. Good. And then honestly, I might as well just make a shovel right now so we can get sand and start smelting that too. There we go. Just run over here real quick to the sand island. It's a really goofy sand island, I can't lie. I don't know if I don't really know how much glass I'm gonna need, honestly. I don't think I'll need too much, but then I always say that and I always end up needing more. Glass is the one thing that I always end up needing more of for some reason. There we go. What time is it? Okay. There we go. It is 8:30. Should we do Moira time? Would you guys like Moira time? Where to go? There we go. Way too long. Fuck all the good times, it's the past tense. Sleep and wake up when the world ends. Oh, my keyboard disconnected. Ah! Stop it! Okay, we're back. Stop. Stop running. Fuck. Jesus. My inventory is full. Hold on. There we go. I have in my head. There we go. Yo, can I make you a custom MC skin? If you... I honestly don't really have enough money in my budget to really pay. Honestly, I'm gonna be honest. I'm not... I'm saving up to, Wait, what am I doing? Yeah, no, it's blocks. It's cause I got accepted into university, so I'm trying to make sure I have everything for university. And I'm also saving up for a car at the same time. It's not that I wouldn't want to pay you, it's that I really don't have the money to pay you, if that makes